Let me just solve a last exercise of this exercise, last problem of this exercise. There are many problems in this exercise, but the theory we covered, we want to solve those questions relevant to the theory. This is one of the questions which is also relevant to the theory that we already studied. We need to find the eigenvalues of A, and we need to find the eigenvalues like this, then use the similarity transformation relating this matrix to A. That's the same thing that we did in 2.3. So first we find the eigenvalues of A. This is the standard procedure. A minus lambda I determinant is equal to 0. We solve it. Then we find the eigenvalues, simplify the discriminant. So finally the eigenvalues are this term. And remember that P dash rho naught is actually the speed of sound. It has different versions, but this is one of the versions. So we have two eigenvalues. Now we want to find the eigenvectors as well. This is also a standard procedure in linear algebra. So I recommend to uh, revise how to find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors in linear algebra. So solving this equation, we simplify the matrix, and then we have the system of equations, and then we find the first eigenvector. Similarly, we have the second eigenvector. Now the question has been completed. Now in the second part, we have similarity transformation. We take A tilde. P is actually the R1 and R2, which is similar to that we did in the theory. We call it R. Here I am calling it P. Take the inverse transform, not inverse transform, inverse. Take the inverse of P, compute this value, and finally we get A tilde. So this is actually a standard methodology that we actually repeated from 2.3. So this was a short video. You can just pause the video and write all the steps yourself on the page. Thank you for watching.